Hello guys, and welcome to our second HTML lesson. We will be talking about starting a HTML document. How do you start a HTML document? So secondly, we open our bracket code editor to download your bracket code editor. So I don't think it will be hard for you guys to do it now. So now, how do we start a HTML document? We start by opening our anchor tag like I showed you the last time. Now, what are all these write-ups here? These are what we call these bracket snippets. They are the extensions that the extensions that bracket gives to you to aid you, to help you write faster in case you are given a particular time to deliver a particular work. Bracket is there to help you. We also have Visual Studio Code. It's also good at this, or even better, but I'll show you guys this one in the next stage. So let's use this one for now first. So now, how do we start? We start by opening our anchor tag, the right angle first, then we hold shift and number 1 on your keyboard. We'll bring out this exclamation mark. So now you see that it shows a white color. So what do we do next? After this, we type doc type. After that, space it HTML, then we close that. What does this doc type HTML mean? It means that the document that you are typing is a HTML. Okay, yes. And then after that, we go to the second line. We also open our anchor tag again. Now this we are going to introduce closing tags. So when we type in HTML, you see that, do click on enter, then we close it. Now I'm sure you're seeing this. Now this is the opening tag. This is how we open a tag, with this and this. Then we close it with a slash. So this HTML opening tag, HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag. So we are going to write anything inside here. So after that, what I'm going to type next in is going to be the title of our web page. So we're going to type in title, enter, then close it. So you can see now our title. What do we want the title to be? Let me say HTML lesson 1. That's our title. So now we go down to the other side. What is next? In your essay writing, you have the title. We also have the body. So what's gonna be our body? We're gonna type in body, enter, then we're gonna close that. So you see the body now. So anything you want to type in here, any HTML function, we're gonna type it inside the body. Anything outside the body may show, but may not have the functionalities you're gonna give to the HTML body when we start learning CSS and JavaScript. So let us start with something simple. We have what we call H1. Close the closing tag too. What is H1? A H1 is like a header written in a larger format, making your text very big and bold. So let's start with my second HTML lesson. You save that. You have to do Ctrl S. You can see there, Ctrl plus S, Ctrl S to save. Because if you don't save that, it may not show on your HTML document. So now, before starting a HTML document on your desktop, you have to create what we call a folder. So let's go to our desktop. This is what we call a folder. These are folders. I'm sure we already know this. These are folders. So now the folder, this is a folder. Now lessons, this is the one I created for this lesson. So now we're gonna open that. Now you see the lesson, we saved that as a lesson, right? Lesson.html. That was we saved the first one as. So this is your lesson. You can see here on the type that this is a HTML file. So now we open it. Open. When we open that, it will show us something on the Chrome or on the Mozilla. Now you see now what did I type inside? My second HTML lesson. So if we go to our code editor, let's share the windows. Now you see that HTML, this is the title, HTML lesson 1. That is what is up here. HTML lesson 1, the title is what is here. Now our body, which is this whole box containing everything here, is the body. So inside the HTML, inside the H1, we have what we call my second lesson. That's why this one is here. So if we create another one, H2, we close that, then we type in the same thing, you see the difference. Now we save that, then we refresh it here. You see it's smaller. So now let's go to H3. We do the same thing, you save it, refresh it. See, so the bigger it is, the higher the number, the lower it gets, the lower the size of the font. So this will be the end of our lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friends, don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you next time.